I'm at 477 Clark Rd in Hermon. Today we're going to look at Unit 1. These units were basically wrapped up maybe a year and a half ago or so. This unit has only had one previous tenant here. Clark Rd is a dead-end road, and this happens to be the end unit. They're all done building here, so it's actually one of the best ones to grab. Professional people out here. We've got a lot of people because we're close to Northern Lights. Hassan University, you're probably maybe 5 minutes, 7 minutes to Bangor. So it's a great location, but you feel like you're way out in the country and nice and quiet. So this is a 2-bedroom, 1-bath with a garage. It does have radiant floor heat. So there is no carpet in here, which is wonderful, easy to clean. But they used high quality building materials. So they didn't skimp at all. It's absolutely gorgeous. So this is one of the first bedrooms here. And the bedrooms are pretty close to the same size. This is the larger of the two, but you have a good sized closet here. You have a light in there, the ceiling fan, nice and sunny as you can see. And this is the second bedroom. So it's a little bit smaller, but you easily could put a king size bed in the other room. Queen would be better fit in here, or a full, but some people use it as an office. And again, great closet space in here, so plenty of room. And again, nice, bright and sunny ceiling fans. So you do have this little closet here, which is great for your bathroom linens and things along those lines. I did walk by this door right here when I came in. So you have that for your outerwear. We go into the bathroom. And again, beautiful fixtures. And it has a walk-in shower. So absolutely beautiful tile that they put in here. It is a very nice, high quality unit here. So you do have a very big open living space here. The kitchen is gorgeous. You have tons of cupboard space. You've got your stove, your fridge. Got some granite countertop. And they are the soft close, which is always pretty cool with cupboards. Kind of living room area, dining room combo. This is your back patio, which you're fine to put a grill out here or some patio furniture. You do get to see a lot of wildlife out here, so it is gorgeous. The heat is radiant floor heat, like I mentioned, and the owner does pay for that. It's run by propane, so that's a big win. Actually, the owner pays for heat, water, sewer, lawn care, and snow plowing. So the only thing you're going to be paying for is electricity. Huge oversized garage. So that's great in Maine. You don't have to clear off the snow on your car, and winter is coming. You do have a washer dryer hookup right here. I know there's a light in there. I'm not sure where it is. But it takes a full size set. Oh, there's the light. And there's extra room as well. So pretty much you've got everything that you need right here. If you are interested, visit our website, rentbangor.com. You're going to see a green box that says submit online application. Fill that out and we'll reach out to you.